Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all well. Welcome to my freebies advent calendar 2025. If you are familiar with my channel, every year we do this amazing month, which in December I will share 25 freebies, one freebie a day to celebrate the Christmas Advent countdown. So I will share with you guys the freebie for today. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel in a way that you won't miss any other day. Okay, let's take a look at today's freebie. 7th of December, so freebie number 7 is this lovely page here. It's a bundle of 4 lovely butterflies with the floral wreaths around them. Love this page. This page here has been designed from my book, my ephemera books that are available on my website. So this is called The Colors of Fall. It's a colorful book of background, collage and ephemera, perfect for junk journals, scrapbooking, art journals and mixed media. This page here is, let me see if I can find it. So all my books, you can print them and then you can put it together like I've done, or you can just leave it as a folder. So you can put your name in it. It's a little note about myself. So let me find the page. So what I do with my books, I print them. So I've got as a reference, and then I just print the page that I want. But I like to put them all together so I can see what I've got. This is the page here that you get today. This is the freebie. It's a lovely book. As usual, all the links are listed down below. So you've got a page with the butterflies, loads of butterflies. Very autumnal because it's all that same color pattern. Gift boxes, tags, more tags, and then this is all my collections of books. Okay, so all these are available on my website. But for today, just enjoy this freebie. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. So if you go to my website, AntonioMakes.com, just here on the top, you recognize it because there is a butterfly there. I just give my website a little revamp. So these are the bundles. Okay, so if you click over without even clicking, it gives you a little preview. Okay, so these are the 12 bundles. That's including my ebook. And with my ebook, you get a free planner as well. My VIP lounge. My VIP lounge membership now is only £2 a month. Imagine the joy of opening a treasure chest each month. Inside, you'll find exclusive digital papers you won't get anywhere else. Beautifully curated to inspire your junk journal, cards, planners, and creative project. Each bundle is a surprise, a spark, a moment of magic made just for you from me. And every month, of course, is different. Don't miss out. Every month, a brand new exclusive collection of digital papers is released, crafted to inspire and delight. This design are never repeated. Once they're gone for good. Yeah, because it changes every month. So what do you get? You get 30% discount across everything on my website. So including all my bundles and physical journals. Digital papers that, of course, I will send it to you each month to your email address. And a gift box template and a private video, of course, that shows you how to make it. So you can pay £2 a month, which is less than the price of a coffee, or you can just do one yearly membership price. You just pay once and you get them for 12 months. And then if you scroll here, you see all the feedback from the VIP members and what they say about the papers they get each month. And here, my little thank you note to every single one of them. Don't forget to pop over my Facebook group to download the freebie. And I will see you tomorrow for another fabulous freebie. We got 25 days, don't forget, until Christmas Day. Okay guys, before we go, don't forget, for the full month of December, so from the 1st up to the 31st, you can get 20% off absolutely everything on my website. That's including the journals I made, all my bundles, digital papers, and the ebooks, as well as my Ely VIP lounge subscription as well. So everything that I have on my website is 20% off. You just need to use the code Christmas, like XMAS, at checkout. When you check out, there is a discount code section and you just type XMAS and I will give you absolutely 20% off everything. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching, guys, and I will see you tomorrow for an amazing freebie. Bye!